did you know that you can save up to 50% on your next vacation with just a few clever hacks? Seriously, imagine exploring new places without breaking the bank. It's totally possible. Today, we're diving into 10 amazing hacks for cheap travel in 2024 that will help you save money on your next trip. Whether you're dreaming of sandy beaches, mountain hikes, or vibrant city life, these tips are here to make your travel adventures much more affordable. So grab a notebook, because you're going to want to jot these down. Let's face it, traveling can be expensive. From skyrocketing flight prices to pricey hotels, many people feel overwhelmed by the costs associated with flights, accommodations, and activities. It's easy to get discouraged and think that traveling is just for the wealthy. But what if I told you that you can enjoy incredible experiences without draining your wallet? There are so many ways to cut costs while still having an unforgettable vacation. It all starts with knowing where to look and how to plan. All right, let's get into the meat of it. We'll explore each of the 10 hacks in detail, starting with finding the best flight deals. First up, use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights. These sites allow you to easily compare prices from multiple airlines. And don't forget to set price alerts. They'll notify you when prices drop, which is a total game changer. Next, consider being flexible with your travel dates. Flying midweek is often cheaper than weekend flights. A little flexibility can save you a ton. Now let's talk accommodations. Instead of booking a hotel, check out Airbnb or hostels, which can offer much cheaper options. Plus, you can even rent a room in someone's home for a more local experience. Also, don't overlook the power of travel rewards programs. By collecting points through airlines and hotels, you can score free flights and stays. It's like getting paid to travel. And speaking of deals, always check social media for last-minute offers or exclusive discounts. You'd be surprised at what you might find. Now, don't forget about transportation. Public transport is often the cheapest way to get around, and many cities have amazing transit systems. Or consider renting bikes or walking to soak in the sights. Plus, download travel apps that can help you navigate and find the best routes. Lastly, when it comes to food, skip the tourist traps. Instead, search for local eateries where the locals eat. Not only will you save money, but you'll also get a taste of authentic cuisine. And here's the kicker. The most surprising hack could save you hundreds. Consider house swapping. There are platforms like Home Exchange that connect you with people around the world who are willing to trade homes for a set period. Imagine living like a local for a fraction of the price of a hotel. You get a cozy space and a kitchen to save on dining out, all while exploring a new city. To wrap up, we've highlighted how these travel hacks can significantly reduce your vacation expenses and make your trips more enjoyable. Remember, planning doesn't have to be stressful. And with these tips, every budget traveler can explore the world without spending a fortune. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on travel planning and share your own hacks in the comments below. I'd love to hear your money-saving secrets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome travel content. Safe travels, everyone.